Okay guys, I'm going to present you a new feature of RepairBuddy digital signature workflow. There are two ways to send signature request to your customer. One is automated and the other is manual. First, I will tell you how you can send manual request. Just go to your job and click here generate signature request. You will reach on this page where you have to give a label to your signature like work authorization or whatever label you want to give to the signature, and done. This is the URL which have been created. You can copy it and send to your customer, and if you want to take signature from them on your device, just click here and a page will open where your customer can leave the signature like this and submit signature. Once the signature have been submitted, you will see there are few things that first of all, on the job page you will see the signature. See, work authorization signature, customer left from this IP. Here you will see their IP address, and this is the signature they left. And you will also see in signature notification sent to admin. Admin should have received the email that, see, this is the admin notification that you have received signature on request. Customer have left this signature, work authorization, whatever label you give, and this is the signature customer left. Now let's see how automated signature works. This was the manual signature. So automated signature, there are two signature types, pickup signatures and delivery signature. So let's say if the job status is quotation, this request will be sent to customer via SMS and via email. And after customer signs the signature, after customer signs your request, the job status will be changed to in process. So when the job status changes to on quotation, in quotation, a pickup signature request will be sent to customer, and once customer signs that it will be changed to in process. So you can see right now I have changed the job status to quotation. So customer should have received now the request of signature. Here you can see signature required. This is the subject which you can change here in settings here, and also you can change the body. This is the signature request. I will click it and I will sign the document. So you will see the quotation will be changed to in process as it's selected here. Now admin will receive an email that signature received, admin have received signature received. Also job status is updated to from quotation to in process. So the customer will also receive the notification about your job status is changed. So here you can see in process, the signature pickup signature, the label is pickup signature. This is received. Also email is also received, and here you can also check in history that everything is logged properly. The SMS request also sent, email request also sent to customer for signature. The customers created these signature notification sent to admin, and the job status modified to in process. Now we will test the delivery signature. Delivery signature, when the job status is ready or complete, then send this notification in SMS and this one in email. If SMS is not enabled, it will be not sent, and once customer signs the request, it should change to delivered. So now I will change the job status to ready or complete. Till then I will clear the log. Okay, the signature request have been received by customer. So this is the case number, this is the job ID. You can also use these all variables whichever you want to use in your email body. Now I will sign this delivery signature. And after that, job status should change from a ready or complete to delivered. See, signature received, customer have left this signature. I can see here also, and once I refresh the page, you will see that job status have been changed to delivered, and also delivery signature is here. This is the job status change update to customer. That job status is now delivered, which was in ready or complete before. Now you can see the job status have been changed to delivered. Also delivery signature have been received. This was a manual signature, pickup signature, and a delivery signature. Let's see it. And you can see all the logs have been recorded. That signature notification sent to the admin, delivered, job status changed to deliver, customers left this signature, and the status update sent to customer, signature request sent to this number, also signature request sent here, and this is the signature customer received. If you don't need delivery signature, just disable it. If you don't need automated pickup signature, you can disable it. That's it. Thank you.